Bautista, Yoni Hernandez and Nicky Hayden making his last Grand Prix appearance in Malaysia.
Row 7, Loris Baz, Tony Elias and Eugene Lafferty. Row 8, Mike DeMeglio, Ant West and Damien Cudlin. And row 9, all on his own, the naughty boy, Hector Barbara.
Hector Barbara, if you are just joining us, penalised for an incident this morning with Polispargo. He was 10th on the grid. He starts now from the back of the grid.
Moment of truth. Row 7, Loris Baz, Tony Elias and Eugene Lafferty. Row is getting closer. Will we have a new time?
Get the Fabio on a shocker for Andrade. The air is rolled through.
Will we have a new 2050?
Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli. Blasted into Quattararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher. Well, Honda,
is that the Vitioso?
I think it is!
There's
unbelievable!
All the factory Ducatis clattered.
Well, Honda, believe it. Yamaha, he's on the stretcher. Vitioso now, I hope he's okay, because he looked and trying to get that bike into Vitioso now, I hope he's okay, because he looked hurt. Nowhere to Ferraro. A shocker for Andrade Vitioso. Marc Marquez now has family back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli. Clattered into Quattararo's Yamaha. He's on. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking big. They're trying to get that bike into Vitioso now. I hope he's okay, because he looked at that bike into Vitioso.
Quattararo's down. Is that the Vitioso?
I think it is.
There's
unbelievable!
All the factory Ducatis clattered in.
Believe it. They're trying.
The Vitioso
I think
as well.
it is.
There's
unbelievable!
All the factory Ducatis clattered in.
Believe it. They're trying to get that.
Ferraro. A shocker for Andrade Vitioso. Marc Marquez. All the factory Ducatis. Ferraro. A shocker for Andrade Vitioso. Marc Marquez now. There he's rolled through the tarmac run up quite a few times.
Get that bike into Vitioso now. I hope he's okay.
Ferraro. A shocker for Andrade Vitioso. Marc Marquez now has
family back. A red flag here if they can't get the Fabio on.
A shocker for Andrade Vitioso.
Hit around Maggots and Beckett. Quattararo wincing a bit.
The tarmac run off quite a few times there.
Well, Honda, with Vinales then following Morbidelli. He looked hurt.
Nowhere to see the air is.
Ferraro's down!
Is that nowhere to see the air is. Ferraro. A shocker for Andrade Vitioso. Marc Marquez now has
family back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli. Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli. Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
Blasted into Quattararo's. Nowhere to see the air is rolled through. The
trying to get that bike into Vitioso now. I hope
the air is rolled through. The air is rolled through. The air is rolled through. The
Vinales then.
I think it is. Unbelievable! Fire from the Ducati. The high side. Down he went.
You like a lonely man without me, you're not like everyone. That's he's why I choose you. You're the one who can make me happy. Oh, you know you're in love when you come for like a lonely